Okay. Once you hit the Apply Now button on that page that I gave you that you were just looking at, it's going to take you to this Inceptia website. You need to create an account. You will put in your email. You have to have a password. I think it has to be 12 characters or longer, but it'll tell you if you screw it up, if you don't have something right, that it's not long enough or doesn't have certain characters, it'll tell you. And then you have to decide how you want to do your multi-factor authentication. That's the code that it will send to you, okay? So most people choose text message. Some people that are techie want to use the Google Authenticator or whatever, but I chose SMS. You'll fill out a few pieces of information and it will then take you back to the login page. You may have to go into your email and verify that it sent you an email, but you'll get back to your login page. You will log in. It's going to send an authentication code to your cell phone. You will have to get that code off your cell phone. 052846. And it will take you into their platform. Once you've done that, up here where it says Home, there's a section here that says To Do. There's a button here that says Add Form. Add Form. I'm going to click on Add Form, and when I do, a new window should appear, and it should say HOPE HSE Grant Application. If it doesn't, it may be that it has to cycle through for a couple of minutes before it updates and shows this choice. So if you come here and it's not there, close out, log back in, and you should probably see it then. I'm going to click the checkbox and say Add Form. It then appears in the list. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to start answering the questions. Please make sure that you are reading the questions carefully, because if you don't and you make a mistake, one of two things can happen. Number one, you may not be able to get back into your account and you may have to call them on the phone and get them to unlock your account. And that is a pain in the rear end, believe me, because I've had to help some people do it. Or you may end up checking the wrong thing and be disqualified. Okay? You will eventually get to a window right here at the end where it's ready for you to put the documents in. You can drag them off a folder into those windows, or you can click in the window and you'll get one of those dialog boxes that pops up where you go find your document and tell it to open it, and it puts it in the box. If you have trouble with that, let me know. If you're not ready to upload your documents and you just get everything filled out, then you can close this out and it will still be there. It's possible that you may have to go back and re-answer the questions later. But if so, it's not that long. It doesn't take that long to do. You can put those questions back in. If you do upload everything, you've got everything ready to go. You have your affidavit, you have all of your documents. On that page that I was on, you go through the questions and you upload the documents. At the bottom, it says complete. And you click complete and it comes back here, and there should be a note here that says something about it pending, I think is what it says, pending in this little blob right here. So that is the process for completing the HOPE Scholarship Grant. Again, everybody, unless you are not qualified, and you and I may need to talk, but from what I can see, everybody should be qualified. Some of you, even if you've taken some of the GED tests, you should probably be qualified if you never applied for the HOPE Scholarship. So,
if you liked this video, please click the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified about new videos, please click the notification button.